Hello friends, in this session I will be talking about what is the default scope of a C# class. If you look at the screen, I have a class available which is a class library project in .NET C#, and as of now I do not have any access modifier defined before the keyword class. So what is the default scope of a class right now? Many times people think that this class by default is private, which is basically a misconception. A class cannot be defined as private. Let's give it a try. I defined my class as private, as you can see here. Now I save it and I build the project. As you can see, the error here right now shows that element defined in a namespace cannot be explicitly declared as private, protected, or protected internal. So you got to see that there are three type of access modifiers which you cannot define to a class in C#. So what is the scope right now? Let's have a look at that. Before we do it, first remove private from here. Project, build it again. So I have project building successfully. See the default scope. There is a trick in Visual Studio. You can go to View menu, to Object Explorer, browser right here. Go to Object Browser, click on it. Make sure you are in all components in this drop down. Look for a project name. My project name is Class Library 1. So I am searching for Class Library 1 here. Expand it down, select Class Library, expand it down, select Class 1. And what you see is that your class is actually internal. As you can see, by default, your class is internal. This shows that by default, your class's scope is internal if it is not defined explicitly. Many times, even experienced people get confused with it, and usually they answer either it is by default public or private. I hope you enjoyed this thing and you learned something new. Thank you very much.